Double bed, very spacious, with a light and curtains for privacy. Single bed, or bunk beds. Claire's got all the duvets in that one. Boiler, shower, window, toilet, gas boiler, hot and cold water, and a door. Shelves, two 15-gallon water tanks for shower, with table. Claire's got all the stuff out of the caravan. Put the telly there probably. Dining table. It goes into a single bed. Solid oak that. And a double glazed window. And another single bed with loads of stuff out of the caravan. That there is the inverter, so we can power off the battery, the leisure battery. We've got a fridge. This comes down, so we've got a bit of a worktop there as well, solid oak. A sink, see stuff out of the caravan. Got a sink, kitchen sink, draining board, and a 4 gas ring oven. The oven's in there. That's just a normal conventional oven. Walk through into the cockpit. .8 litre diesel, 20 miles to the gallon. Old XHM prison wagon. There's all the buttons for when it was a prison wagon. It's got a PA speaker in it, so you can talk to people on board. There's William. What are you doing in here? Say hello. Yeah. No. Hang on. Wait. Right, quick look outside. Steps that go in, and they fold up like that when you're travelling. Come back down. Along the side here we've got storage. It's quite good, quite a lot of stuff in there out of the caravan. There's William. .240 volt hookup. Toilet. This is the garage. I think it's locked. And climbing wall on the back.